Hello guys, welcome to Maths by Bodania sir. In this video, I will solve 5 important 5 marks questions for class 10th board exam. I will explain the concept and solution step by step. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates on all types of questions, be it MCQs, case study, assessment region, and descriptive 2, 3, and 5 marks. Pause the video, try the question yourself, and then watch the solution. Let's get started. Question number 1 is saying from a station, two trains start at the same time. One train moves in west direction and other in north direction. First train moves 5 km per hour faster than second train. If after 2 hours the distance between the two trains is 50 kilometers, find the average speed of each train. Okay, in this question, it is given that first train is moving in west direction and second is moving in north direction. Okay, and it is saying that first train moves 5 km per hour faster. Let's say train moving in west direction is having speed x plus 5 km per hour. Then speed of train that is moving in north direction will be x kilometer per hour. Now it is saying that after 2 hours, the distance between the two trains is 50 kilometers. Okay, let's draw second diagram. So let's say in 2 hours, the first train that is moving in west direction have traveled 2 into x plus 5 kilometers. Okay, and the train moving in north direction would have traveled 2x kilometers. And it is saying that the distance between these two trains is 50 kilometers. So this is 50 kilometer. Okay, so let's say this is A, B, and C, and this is 90 degree. So here what we can do is use Pythagoras theorem to find the average speed of each train, to find the value of x basically. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB square plus BC square will be equals to AC square, and AB is 2x whole square plus BC is 2 times of x plus 5, that is 2x plus 10 whole square, which equals to 50 square. From here we will get 4x square plus 4x square plus 100 plus 40x equals to 2500. Okay, now simplifying this, we will get 8x square plus 40x minus 2400 equals to 0. Now dividing whole equation by 8, we will get x square plus 5x minus 300 is equals to 0. On splitting the middle term, we will get x square plus 20x minus 15x minus 300 is equals to 0. Taking x common, that is x plus 20 minus 15, x plus 20 equals to 0. From here we will get x equals to 15 and x equals to minus 20. Minus 20 can't be the speed of train. So from here we can write average speed of V average. Train moving in the west direction. I am writing it in short, but in exam you have to elaborate it, write in words. Okay. So the average speed of the train moving in west direction will be equals to x is 15 and west direction. The speed is x plus 5, that is 20 kilometer per hour, and V average of train moving in north direction, that is 15 kilometer per hour. And this is the answer. Clear? Okay. In question number 2, it is saying find the median for the following table which shows the daily wages drawn by 200 workers in the factory. We are given the table, so what we have to find is median. From here we can say that, let's say we draw a table for the median. To find the median class, we have to draw the cumulative frequency table. So let's say I'm saying this is class interval. Here class interval is not given, so what we have to do is change into class interval. So let's say class interval 0 to 100. Less than 100 will be between 0 and 100 daily wages. Next class interval will be 100 to 200. Third class interval will be 200 to 300, and 300 to 400, and for last one, that is 400 to 500. Okay, for next what we have to do is find frequency Fi. For less than 100, number of workers is 40. It is 40, and less than 200 it is 82. So let's say cumulative frequency. Firstly we write cumulative frequency, CFI. Okay, So from here we can write cumulative frequency of 40, 82, 154, 184 and 200. So for 0 to 100 it is 40, and below 200 it is 82. So minus 40, that is 42. Now 154 minus 82, that will be 72, and 184 minus 154, that is 30, and from here we will get 16. Okay, so now what we have to find is median class. What we have to find is n by 2, and n is total number of workers, that is 200. So n by 2, that is equals to 200 by 2, that is 100. From here we know that 100 will lie in this. Okay, so from here we can write median class, that is 200 to 300. Okay, so we know the formula of median. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So from here median will be L. L is what? This is the lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class is what? That is 200. So from here we will write 200 plus n by 2 that we have found, that is 100. Next is CF. CF is what? CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 82. So here we will write 82 upon F. F is what? Frequency of median class. Frequency of median class is 72 upon 72 into H. H is the class width or height of the class, that is 300 minus 200, that is 100. Okay, from here we will get 200 plus this, we will get 18 upon 72 into 100, and that is 4 times 425. From here we will get 225. So the median of the following table will be 225. This is the answer. You have to write in words. Okay, question number 3 is saying prove that the line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, so what it is asking is basically proof of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now, so we will do that. Let's say this is the triangle. This is A, B, and C, and a line L is parallel to BC, and it cuts these two sides. Let's say at the point PQ. Okay, so what we have to prove is AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Clear? Okay, now what we have to do is we have to do construction. For construction, what we will do is join B to Q and C to P. Also draw perpendicular from Q to PA and draw a perpendicular from P to AQ. So in exam, what you have to do is first you will write what is given, and then construction, and then to prove, and then you have to do proof. Okay, and what we have to prove is AP by PB is equals to AQ by QC, that you have to write. Here we are directly doing proof. So for proof, what we will do, area of triangle APQ, that is equals to, let's say this point is R and this is S. Clear? To find area, we are considering PA as base, then this will be height. RQ will be the height. So it will be equals to half of base. Base is PA into RQ. Again, what we are finding is area of this triangle APQ. That will be, this time I am taking AQ as base, then height will be PS. So it will be half of AQ into PS. Okay, now let's say this is 1, this is 2. And next what I am finding is area of triangle, let's say BQP. So in this case, what I am doing is I am taking BP as base. Now triangle is this, I am taking BP as base, then height will be QR. Okay, so from here I can write half of base, that is BP into QR. Next what I am doing is finding area of triangle PCQ, this triangle, and taking QC as base. If QC is base, then this will be the height, PS will be the height. Clear? So from here we can write is area of triangle PCQ will be equals to half of base is QC into height is PS, and we are writing this 3 and 4. Okay, and now we know that what we know is these two triangles BQP and triangle PCQ both have the same base and are between same parallel. Getting my point? So the area of both triangles will be equal. We know that area of triangle BQP is equals to area of triangle PCQ. Here we will write the reason since triangles having same base and between same parallels, between same parallels. Okay, so from here what we can say is 3 is equals to 4. Now what we will do is we will divide 1 by 3 and 2 by 4. Now what we know is area of triangle 1 is equals to 2 because basically 1 and 2 are the area of same triangle. Okay, and now we have also proved that 3 is equals to 4. So from here what we can write is 1 by 3 will be equals to 2 by 4. Now from here what we can write is 1 by 3. 1 is half of PA into RQ upon 3 is half of BP into QR is equals to 2 is half of AQ into PS upon 4 is half of QC to P. So from here what we can do is cut these RQ and QR will cut here, half cut, PS cut. So therefore from here we can write PA by BP is equals to AQ by QC. And this was the proof that we were supposed to do. Basically PA is this, PA by BP is equals to AQ by QC, hence proved. Clear? Now in second part it is saying further using above theorem find AD in a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. Okay, let's first draw it. Now what it is saying is we are given a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Let's say the trapezium is like this. This is AB, C and D. AB is parallel to DC. Okay, and it is saying that P and Q are points on AD and BC. Let's say this is P and this is Q, such that PQ is parallel to DC. Okay, so we are saying that if we join PQ, then it will be parallel to DC. And if it is parallel to DC, then it will also be parallel to AB. Okay, PD is 18 centimeter. PD is given 18 centimeter. Okay, BQ is given 35 centimeter. Okay, and QC is given 15 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to find is AD. We have to find in this side. We can do this question by two methods. Okay, and what we have to do is we have to use above theorem. Basically we have to use BPT. Getting my point? In first way what we have to do is join AC. On joining AC, let's say this point is point R. We know that in triangle ACD PR is parallel to DC. So using BPT we can write that in triangle ACD we can write AP upon PD will be equals to AR upon RC. So AP by PD is 18. We don't know the AR upon RC. Okay, this is first. Now what we have to do is consider this second triangle. So in this triangle this RQ is parallel to AB. So using BPD we can write that in triangle ABC AR upon RC will be equals to BQ upon QC, and AR upon RC is equals to BQ. BQ is what? That is 35 and QC is 15 and this is 2. In first we have already found AR by RC is equals to this, and in second AR by RC is equals to 35 by 15. So from 1 and 2 we can say that from 1 and 2, we can say that this AP by 18 will be equals to 35 by 15. So we can write AP by 18 will be equals to 35 by 15. So AP will be equals to 35 into 18 by 15. Simplify this. 5 7s are 35, 3, 6. So it will be 42. AP is 42 centimeter. And what we were supposed to find is AD. So AD will be AP plus DP. So AD will be equals to AP plus PD. So AP is, we have found 42 plus 18, that is equals to 60 centimeter. Clear? And this is the answer. Now in question number 4, it is saying there are three consecutive positive integers such that sum of the square of first and the product of the other two is 154. Find the integers. Solution 4, first part. We are given that let consecutive integers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay, you have to write it properly in exam. Okay, here what I'm doing is I'm clearing your concepts. So here what we are doing is we are focused on the concepts. The writing part you can do yourself now. So what we are given that three consecutive positions such that sum of square of first, we are saying that x square plus and product of other two numbers, that is x plus 1 into x plus 2, this is equals to 154. Okay, from here we will get a quadratic equation and we will solve that. That is x square plus, we multiply this, x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 is equals to 154. This is 2x square plus 3x minus 152, that is equals to 0. Okay, now splitting the middle term, we will get 2x square plus 19x minus 16x minus 152 is equals to 0. So from here we will take out the x common, that is 2x plus 19 minus 8, 2x plus 19 is equals to 0. So from here x will be 8 and the other value of x will be 19 by 2. So it is not an integer, this is fraction. So from here we can say that therefore integers are x is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, next is 10. This is the answer. Okay, now in second part it is saying solve for x. We are given a quadratic equation and what we have to do is to solve it. Okay, so quadratic equation is ax square plus 4a square minus 3b x minus 12ab is equals to 0. So on analyzing, we know that we have to split this term so that the multiplication of those two terms should be equals to multiplication of this and this. That will be minus 12a square b. So on an examining, we know that if we split it into 4a square and minus 3b, so on multiplying we will get minus 12a square b only. That is what is required. Okay, so from here we will write ax square plus 4a square x minus 3bx minus 12ab is equals to 0. So from here we will take out ax common, so x plus 4a minus, from here we will take out 3b, that is x plus 4 equals to 0. From here we can write ax minus 3b into x plus 4a is equals to 0. X will be equals to 3b by a, and from here x will be minus 4a. This is the answer. Okay, and question number 5 is from surface area and volume. A toy is in form of hemisphere surmounted by right circular cone of same base radius as that of hemisphere. If the radius of base of cone is 21 centimeter and its volume is 2 by 3 of the volume of hemisphere, calculate the height of cone. So here what we are given a hemisphere and on top of it there is a cone surmounting it. Okay, and it is saying that radius of both figures is same. So let's say that is r, and that is given 21 centimeter, that is equals to 21 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find is find the height of cone. Okay, so let's say the height of cone be h, and it is said that volume of cone is 2 by 3 of the volume of hemisphere. Okay, so what we have to do is just make the equation. So we know that volume of cone is equals to 2 by 3 times of volume of hemisphere. So from here, volume of cone, we know the volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square into h, that is equals to 2 into 3. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, since radius is same, so we can cut this. Okay, I will cut this and 3 will cut this. So h will be equals to 4 by 3 into r. R is 21, that is 3 7 are 21, 28 centimeter. And this is the answer. Clear? Okay, here we end the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefited. See you in the next video. Bye bye.